Good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new house. Dun, 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 dun. We have done it. Now bear in mind, I need to provide a bit of a disclaimer. I did not buy this house. I'm simply renting a bedroom upstairs. So, on that bombshell, we have a lot to do today. We're going to do a full home tour, and we're also gonna check out that garage. Furthermore, that's a proper word, we have to do a bedroom tour because, I apologize, it's a little bit messy, but it's pretty spacious, a lot of square footage. This box right here, we gotta open this up. Scissors. They could be in any box. Oh, there we go. Car keys. Also Peep, Lamborghini Veneno Roadster, and this basketball. Okay, here it is. If I can make this deflated basketball into the Rip City Portland Trail Blazers basketball hoop, you guys owe me 20 bucks. Okay, here we go. Boom! Yeah! Okay, I'm just kidding. Nobody owes me 20 bucks, but furthermore, that's twice in one video. This is very exciting news. This is a long time coming. Terms and conditions of sales, not gonna need that. We have our new Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, a new vlog camera, but we got new cameras on new cameras. So this is the new Canon 80D. This is gonna be the new vlog camera, the #1 vlog camera moving forward. I'm currently shooting on a 70D. I've had a lot of issues with it. The camera randomly shutting off at inopportune moments. Apparently there's a dead pixel. We're upgrading. We got a Manfrotto tripod. We have our new wide angle lens, 10 to 18 millimeters wide, that's wide. And then we have what appears to be a new carrying case. Just wanted to test the durability. It appears to be quite durable. We have another carrying case, also appears to be quite durable. We got batteries, and we got more batteries. If you like cameras, you know how exciting this moment is. Whoa, whoa. Once again, definitely not gonna need that nonsense. Hallelujah. Whoa, okay. Dun dun dun, here's the new 80D. Oh man. It looks pretty much exactly the same as the 70D. Let's turn her on, let's see if she works. That's a good sign. This is surely not a paid product placement. If it was, that would mean I'd be rolling in life. We're going to officially start vlogging with this camera today. In 3, 2, 1, boom! What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the new vlog camera. So this is the 70D right here. So the goal is to film the rest of today's vlog using this camera, but well, this is also like the perfect way to do a home tour with this multiple camera setup. Vlog inception, am I right? Well, it's not really vlog inception because that would imply that there's 2 different vlogs when in fact there's only one, but this seems like a pretty good opportunity to show off the new kitchen. Dun dun dun, check this out. We still got the plastic wrap here on the oven. This oven is Wi-Fi capable. That means that if you go to the store, you pick up a frozen pizza, using your smartphone, you can preheat the oven. Goodness gracious, 2018, I love you. I love you. Don't you love 2018, Nick? Did you get me lunch?
Totally got you lunch. Hooked you up, bro.
He didn't get me lunch.
Hooked you up.
Are you kidding me?
Welcome to the house.
Man, you guys remember Nick? So Nick is, well, he's my bodyguard, and he also doubles as a linebacker for the Houston Texans, but primarily, he's my bodyguard. He also owns the home. And he brings me lunch. Nice. What did we get? What'd you get me?
Tacos, baby.
Perfect.
2 beef, beans, rice.
Oh, nice.
I drank some of the Coke.
Man, are you kidding me? That would have tasted so good. Unfortunately, one of the flaws of the new vlog camera is that I cannot convey the smell of Nick's meal to you guys. And goodness gracious, it smells so good. So this seems like a perfect opportunity to go pick up the Lambo and probably have a food vlog at the same time. So fun fact, so I have 3 cars and I've been parking them at various locations around the state of Utah in various garages. So we're gonna go get the Lambo, bring it here, then we'll go get the R8 and bring it here. And for the first time ever, the 3 cars will be together as one. Somewhere in here are the keys to the Lambo. This could take a while, so yeah. See you soon. We have found the keys to the Lambo. Let's go check out the garage. Here we go, wait for it. I'm snaking you guys right now, just kind of taking a moment to appreciate, to bask in the glory of what is this new garage. Now I've owned the Lamborghini for 2.5 years, and today, for the first time, the car is going to be parked where I live. So this area, this deep section right here, it's 28 feet, 11 inches long. We think, we hope, we pray that the Lambo can be parked there and the R8 right there. Both cars are right around well, they're right around 14.5 feet long, so it's gonna be curious, but check out the spaciousness. Welcome back to the Lambo. The observant viewer would note that that is a green light, and it's time for full throttle. Oh, we gotta time this ever so right. Wait for it. Wait for it. Hit it! Oh! Goodness gracious, headphone users, R.I.P. Oh! Yes! Hey, Chick-fil-A! Oh no. Oh no. Ladies and gentlemen, we've reached the devastating portion of the vlog. It's Sunday, and Chick-fil-A is closed on Sundays. Eat more chicken. There's the Chick-fil-A truck. Honk if you love chicken. Option number 2, Costa Vida. As of late, I've been slightly obsessed with their grilled steak tacos. This place isn't, they're not closed, are they? I was just searching for new restaurants on my phone, and then I saw it. I saw In-N-Out from across the parking lot. Oh, there she is. The yellow arrow that leads to happiness. In-N-Out. You know, as they say, everything in life happens for a reason. It wasn't a Chick-fil-A kind of day. It was an In-N-Out kind of day. Thank you, appreciate it. Oh, here we go. As a wise man might say, now we're rolling. Lambo does not have a cup holder hydration though. Well, that's essential. Ah, man, that is so good, that is so good. Not a paid product placement for Minute Maid. I don't even know if this is Minute Maid lemonade, but if it is, it's not a paid product placement or the other guy. Dude, this orange in the direct sunlight looks killer, looks so killer. So to update you guys on the exhaust for this car, the next video, the very next video I post after this will be installing the new exhaust. I don't wanna tell you guys too much. I'll give you a quick hint. It's titanium, and boy, she is gonna scream. But more important, well, definitely not more importantly, but also important, lunch. Dude, there are fewer sights in this world more beautiful than that. Strad Girl comes to mind, and that's pretty much it. All right, there's my curb. There's some people right over there in a Honda Pilot. They're staring at me or they're staring at the car. It doesn't matter, but I gotta let you guys know how good this double-double is. So you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for the vlog. The Lambo is all tucked away. We have, I don't know, maybe around 6 inches to spare up front. Obviously, Nick does not want me to crash into the drywall, but the R8 is gonna go right here. I think it's gonna fit. Obviously, the last thing we ever need is to rear end the Lambo with the front of the R8, because obviously the R8 has had its fair share of accident issues. It doesn't need another one. So security, it is essential. And well, Nick and I, we're balling out. What can I say? We're balling out. So we got the cardboard.
It's classy, sturdy Home Depot cardboard.
You're proving a point though, because if somebody walks by and they see that cardboard is covering up the window, right, they're not gonna think anything. They're gonna move on. They're gonna move on. Like you're saying, it's not the cheap cardboard. I mean, it's high quality. It's like 13 gauge cardboard. Dun, dun. Man. This brushed black vinyl, it looks so amazing here in the direct sunlight. And yes, I have not fixed the accident quite yet. I filed the insurance claim and it's taking time because, well, insurance takes forever. If you guys did not see the last vlog, be sure to go check it out. But goodness gracious, please start, please start. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time ever, we get to see all 3 cars. Wait for it. Dude, I have been waiting for this day for far, far too long, and now the moment of truth. Can the R8 fit behind the Lambo? This is a critical moment. I just slammed on the brakes. Okay, wait for the parking sensors. Okay, I'm gonna get out. You know what? First time, parking brake. We still got some room to go. Oh, that's close, that's super close. We're gonna have to move. I'm gonna have to push the Lambo probably another couple inches. If you guys are unfamiliar, this would be the just in case angle. I never, ever, I mean, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. We are so close, but I don't think it's gonna work. it's definitely not gonna work. I mean, the Lambo is about as close as I wanna get to that wall. And then, I mean, I could get it closer, obviously. We have like 6 inches right there. But if we scoot around to the back, the garage door would close right about here, and that's a good foot. So we came up with an idea that could work. There's also a chance it won't work, but we won't know until we try. So the plan is to move the tires to this side of the garage, back the Lambo in, and then we're going to angle the R8 in right here. Also, unfortunately, I just found out that my car appears to be leaking oil right here on Nick's brand new garage.
There will be a fee.
Jeez.
There will be a fee for that.
I'm not getting my deposit back. What?
You got straight skills. Mad working out, you know?
That's all I do. It's a new year. It's a new me.
Didn't you have a 2017 resolution to do like 100 push-ups?
Oh, no.
I think your OG subscribers will recall the end of 2016, you did a resolution.
Okay, yeah, that's comfortable though.
Yeah.
So now we angle the R8 right in like this. That should work, right?
Yeah, do we need to move the fridge first? Yeah. I mean, you're easy. It's easy. You got a foot back here.
Right. We made it. We barely made it, but the cars are in and the garage is shut. Every single time I pull these cars in and out, I'm gonna have to be overly cautious, not rush the process, because well, that would be detrimental to, well, it'd just be detrimental. Man, what a view. Before the vlog is effectively over, I promised you guys a home tour, and I'm gonna give you a home tour. You already saw the kitchen. This is like the main living room area. Bear in mind, we just moved in, so although it's messy now, it's gonna be spotless here very, very soon. Okay, so master bedroom is right in there, and then upstairs, we have another bedroom right here. Wait for it. We got the game room. We got foosball. I don't know if we're gonna add ping pong to the mix. We might not. You guys don't know this, but at one point in my life, I was the world champion foosball player. That could be true, most likely, it's not. We have another bedroom, we got my room, we got a bathroom. There is the new house. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I mean, I love the house, but goodness gracious, that garage, I love that garage. Now, not only is that garage just cool, it's gonna save me so much time, because prior to this, I was shuttling cars back and forth, left and right, wasting a ton of time. But now, obviously we're going out to the garage because we have to take just one more look. Dude, yes, I present to you views on views. Man, now I know a lot of you guys are gonna wonder, why am I not buying a house myself? Honestly, I'm single, I have no kids, I don't like responsibility, and I travel a lot. Also, I spend a fair amount of my money on cars, and on that, today's vlog is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.